In this video, we'll see how we can give option of email verification in contact form 7. You can add in any contact form, but I am creating this video for contact form 7. You can see I can fill name, email, then I have to verify the email and I will receive the OTP and I have to enter here. So we'll see how we can do it. Let's go. Here I am logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now first step, what we need to do, we need to install a contact form plugin. As of now, I am using contact form 7 for enable OTP verification for email or phone number both. Okay. In this video, we will mainly focus on OTP verification in email. Here first you need to, here when we contact form 7, you need to install it. Just very simple. It give by default some form. Like I have already installed the contact form 7. Here you can see this is my contact form. Here you can view it. It's very simple. Now you just need to copy the short code and display on any page you want to display your add on any page, in whichever page you want to display your contact form. Here you can see in my contact form I have added the contact form. This is my contact form I have added. Okay, you can directly paste shortcode or some elementary add-ons provide option of here. Contact form 7. Here you can see contact form 7. So you can directly drag and drop or either you can add shortcode. They are both option. Here you can see shortcode and paste the shortcode that you have just copied. Here you can see. You are getting it. You can style as per your requirement. Styling is from your side. You can use custom CSS to style or any other thing. Now let's go on how we can add OTP verification in email. This is my contact form. Now I will add a plugin for OTP verification that will be Mini Orange. Using this plugin, we will add OTP verification in contact form 7. Scroll down here, you can see email verification, SMS verification, OTP verification, authentication, WooCommerce notification. This plugin has all the features, but we want to use at a OTP verification for email. Now what you need to do, go on here you can see OTP verification. Now this is my plugin. Now first step what I will do, I need to create the account setup. There are two options. Either you can use Mini Orange OTP feature or you can integrate your custom gateway. Like there are many OTP SMS gateway are available. You can use custom gateway, but for that you need to buy pro version of this plugin. Here you can see pro version of this plugin. Okay, here you can see Twilio gateway. So there are multiple plans you need to buy. Use Mini Orange gateway, then you can see it is free. Okay, now we are using free Orange. If you have already created your account, you can directly log in. If you haven't, just click on register and I have already created my account. Now here you can see I get free 10 SMS and sorry, free 10 email OTP and SMS 0. Now I have integrated the gateway method, like how you gonna receive OTP. Now we will set up in contact form 7. For that, go to forms. Here you need to forge it. Support multiple time of form. Here you can see there are list of form. So we want to use it on contact form 7. You can use on some other form if you want. Like here you can see we are using for contact form 7. There are multiple form. You can use them. Contact form 7. I just want to enable email verification as of now. They are all four option of enable phone verification. Now what I need to do, I need to just copy it, just copy the same. Here we say copy it, go to your form. This is my contact form. I will go here, click on edit. Here I need to paste it below your email. Here you can see, and it just need to change the ID, submit ID to, here you can see that particular ID. Here you can see that ID we need to change to submit ID. I will change it E3. Now you can style this section as per your requirement. It's totally up to you how you can want to show this OTP verification field and button. Like currently I will show, it will be not looking good. Like I will show you. I will view my contact. Here you can see name, email, then click to verify your email and then verification code. You can change this text on this button setting. Okay, can stylize for your requirement. Now here what I need to enter the name of the field below. What will be my email field? For that, go to your email template. This is my where this is my email field. This is my name of the email field. I will copy it and paste it here. Now just save the setting. It has been saved. Now I have saved it. Okay. Now I will fill all the detail here. You can see name and email ID. Now I will click to verify your email. It will send one time OTP is sent on this. Here you can see my OTP verification email is here. I can change the template as of now. This is the default template. I will go here 5110 361 510361. Here you can see I have added the verify code. Enter the phone number. Click on subject. Enter detail. Here one time verification. Please enter the OTP below to verify you. If you cannot see the email, make sure. Now I will submit it. Now thank you for form is submitted. So you can easily add OTP verification in your email address in your contact function. That's all. That's how you can easily add. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my